The world is changing, and so is Kuraray. Kuraray is working to improve the Earth's environment by using innovation to create sustainable products. As the demand for bio-derived and climate-friendly materials increases, so does our portfolio for our customers. Kuraray's global and diverse teams are working with partners to sustainably develop products that contribute to social, environmental, and economic development aspects. Kuraray sees sustainability as an opportunity. The goal of achieving net zero by 2050 is possible if we all work together. Our product portfolio includes recycled and bio-based materials, which can help partners reach established sustainability goals. Together, we can generate ideas and solutions to promote a greener future for generations to come. Clarino, our man-made leather collection, produces a highly exclusive material based on up to 100% recycled nylon fiber and products using post-consumer recycled polyester fibers. In a world where development and production cycles are becoming faster, Clarino continues to offer market-sustainable alternatives with innovative design. These versatile fibers can be found in high-end design products like furniture, bags, suitcases, shoes, and accessories. Plantic meets the growing demand for a sustainable approach to barrier plastics technology. This unique family of resins and films are based on a high content of renewable materials that reduce carbon emissions and deliver exceptional performance characteristics across a broad range of applications. Transformed into a sheet or film, Plantic can be found in products like high-end coffee, pet food, meat packaging, and more, preserving shelf life and reducing food waste. This sustainable solution is completely transparent, compostable or recyclable, and ripe with barrier properties. Plantic is truly one of a kind. Septon Bio Series begins in the sugar field. Through the fermentation process, this special sugar's alcohols are extracted and made into a bio-based monomer called beta-farnesene. It's then transferred into elastomer and liquid rubber products found in adhesives, tires, coatings, consumer goods, and other unique applications. Along with these initiatives, Kuraray is committed to the creation of new products. Kuraray invests 3% of its revenue each year into research and development, including the exploration into products that improve the environment and enhance the quality of life for all. For people and the planet to achieve what no one else can. From convenience to comfort to protection, Kuraray materials are here to make a difference. Together, we can co-create a better, more sustainable future for everyone. We can make the impossible possible. Kuraray, possible starts here.